Hello, welcome back for this part two of this learning tree web application. As I said before, in this part two, I'm going to do a demo. I'm going to demo the application. Okay, let me share my screen. Again, let me tell you something. For the UI part, the UI, which is the front end, I took the template from Hibernate. I didn't develop this front end part. I just made some changes to adapt what I needed, but I didn't develop from scratch this template, just for information. Yeah, I downloaded from internet. So yeah, here we go. All right, so this is how it looks like. All the things that they just came with this template. The only thing I added is this its image called learning tree, and then I added these words like we're here to help everyone getting the best deal possible, new loan. All right, so and then this, of course, I added, and then this one. So I tweak it like I just want to make it look the way I want it. So let's start. What first thing I want to do is let's take the part of admin, as I said in this document here. I say the admin has, let's start with this admin part, and then we go for the loans after, and then for the employees. All right, let's start with the admin. When we click to login, get this page. As I told you, it's ugly. It's nothing fancy. Then I just created this form here where you can come and then put the login, the username, and then the password you enter. Again, it's ugly. It's minimal. I just want to make something that is functional instead of something that is beautiful. Maybe sometime when I get some time, we do something from scratch where we be doing my own UI without using someone template. Okay, again, I just had a small time, like 1 month that I had to do that. I gave myself 1 month, I have to do this. So that's why I just said, okay, the UI part, it's okay. I can do that later. Let me take something that already exists and then tweak it it looked like what I wanted. So here the admin page, the admin can, as you said here, the admin can manage employees, department, bank, loan, customer. Here you can see he has a way to do that, the bank, department, employee, customer, loan. So let's start with bank. I already created some bank in my database. All these, they're coming from database. If we go to the database, we can check it. This is MySql Workbench, or the tool I use to get access to data. So let's go to this is a database called loan management, and the tables here. We have all these tables here, and we are going to see. Let's check the bank table. You see XYZ, ABC, PQ, all are the banks that came here. So let's try to update one of these bank, let's say XYZ. I want to name it Fontania. Fontania is awesome. All right, and then we save. Here we see that it has been changed to Fontania. Even if you come to the database and then you run again, you see that it has been updated to Fontania. All right, great. So this is the update part. You can see the delete part. You can delete one of these. Let's delete this one. Here we go. One is deleted. This is here. So we can add a new bank. Let's try to add a new bank. Okay. I think I put something here. Where is my no. Okay, got it. New bank. We can call it just Alpha Bank. Just make some notes somewhere here on part, so I can get it so easily. The branch name, central, the address. Let's take this, and then here, paste. All right. So here we have our new bank added here, which is Alpha Central Branch. All right, let's update, remove this comma here. Sorry about that. And yeah, here we go. We come to in the database we run. You see Alpha Bank has been added. Awesome. So this is how I explained the CRUD. It's we created a new bank. We read all the bank. We updated a bank, which we called Awesome Plantain. Fontania. So and then we deleted one. So this is the thing that the admin is able to do on these three tables or in these three people department. Yeah, so if we go back to the dashboard, he can do the same thing. He can create here it's I created twice. Let me remove it. Then we have it on my pickup verification legal. As I said in this document, we have 3 departments where the employees can be part of. All right, yeah. So if the admin wants, can add a new department, can edit the existing one, delete the existing one. Let's go back to the dashboard. It's the same for employees. Same here. All right. So here we have a list of employees. You see the department, the different department, pickup, 3 are in pickup, 3 in verification, then 3 are in legal. We can add new employees, same here, but it will be the same thing, but I will try to be very quick. All right, let's create a new employee here. I made a note, name here. The department, it will take the department from the database and then put it here. I will have pickup legal. Let's put in verification. Sorry, and the email address, and then the address. Yeah, I'm copying from the notes I made here, and then I'll remove this. All right, then save. We get new employee, Emily Davis. But you see, as you can see here, we didn't put the identifier and password here. If you want, we could do, but in my form, we didn't put that because we don't want admin to create that username and password for the employee. We want the employee to create it at their own. So here, you see the employee, we generate their login and password here, and it's auto-generated here. And okay, so that, and then what's next? All right, so now we are going to use this application. This is the part of admin. I'll show you what admin can do. Let's go to the other user, because I told you there are 3 users who use this application. We started with the admin to show you all the functionality they can do, but the admin will come back for the assignment of the loan. But this was the part that I want you to show, the CRUD part: creation, update, delete, and read. So for now, let's act like we are someone who wants to apply for a loan. So we will be the customer. Let's log out from the admin. And then let's go back to the main page here. So here we have apply for a loan or login. So for us, we want to apply for a loan, right? So let's come here. We see already all the bank here. They are listed. They're coming from database. They are not something that we have added manually, because if it was manually, you will see this Fontania will not be here. So that's why I'm showing you it's coming from database. Okay, so let's start our loan application. Let me see if I have any something I have put aside to do the loan application. Okay, let's do this. I think I have something. Okay, I generated something here. The name will be like this. The email, I'm just doing copy paste. It will be very fast. Phone number, we just put whatever. We'll just put whatever number. Address, copy again. Address, Spring apartment, copy. All right. And this is long. Let's just put something simple. Social security number, blah, 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 blah. For people who are not here in America, social security number is just the number to identify everybody. One person is identified by a social security number. It's their own number to identify them. Here we have, let's start with student loan, and then let's choose what document to support this request. So the user say, me personally, these are the document I'm able to give you. So let's take electricity bills, employee address proof. Yeah, just choosing like this. And then of course we choose the best bank, Frontania Bank, and then we submit. Here we get a message saying, congratulations, dear. The name of the applicant, the customer, or someone who just applied for the loan. And then they say your loan application has been submitted successfully, and one of our team member will contact you shortly to pick up the document. As I said, I just made it. I want to have process. That's why I say there will be someone who will be picking up the document, but I don't think in real life that's how it works. Okay, so I say someone pick up the document, and then this is other information for below further inquiry. So with this information, this user can log in and then check the status of the application alone. So let's copy this information somewhere. So let me copy it here. So where is my note? It's not coming here. Okay, let me put it here, and then let's put down here, and then we will use it when we want to log in. For instance, let's just log in here and then see what the status of this loan. When we click on that button, we will come here to log in, and then put the credential that has been generated automatically for that user, and then put it here, paste, submit. Okay, so we see this customer, we see the list of their loan. Here, this is the only loan this customer has applied to. So here you can see the status is new. Every time if this user come back, they can see. Let's log out. I can show you an example of a loan that has been already processed. We can use their credential to check the status of their loan. This one is already processed, and then submit. Then you see your loan has been approved. All right. Okay, so log out. Then let's go back to the admin. As we said, admin will be doing the assignment for all the loans. All right. So let's go to the loans, and then we see here it's the one I showed you that has been already approved. And then here we have the new one. So, and then the admin has to assign it. Remember when I said when the admin assign to people, if the loan is in the new status, the admin, when click the button assign here, it can only show the people who are in this department of pickup, because it's only people who are in the pickup department that can go pick up the document for the new loan. So we can verify that. Let's say John Donne, Jen Smith, Mark Johnson. If we go in the database and then look up for employees, you will see the employees who are in the pickup department are those that have are listed. So you can see Joe Doe, Jen Smith, Mark Johnson are the one listed here. Others, they are not listed because they are not in the pickup department, so cannot assign them. Let's see the other thing is like we assign to the employee who has less workload. Let's say Jen Smith. We select, and then here we say the loan ID number 4 is assigned to employee Jen Smith. So if we log out and then we go, remember, Jen Smith has load number 1. She has only one number, but if we go back here and then we go, if we go in the database and then we run again, you will see it was a Smith, all right, Jen Smith. Here she has 1 now. She has 2 loads because we just assigned that to her, so she can process that. All right. So let's go here and then assign this. Now, if you see the status, it's assigned for pickup. All right. So this the status that this loan has now. Now we have to assign. It has been assigned for pickup. All right. So now we have if it's assigned for pickup, the only thing that we can do now it's for Jane to log in. The Jane we just assign this, and then we use her credential. She come here, she logs in, the password, then here you log in, and then you see she has been assigned for 2, and then but this is already approved, then it's okay. She doesn't have to do anything for it, but here now it's assigned for pickup, then she has to upload the document for this loan. So here the customer said, I will provide the address proof, the electric bills, employee card. So, and then Jen has to go pick up those information, those document files, and then maybe scan them, have it in the system, and then put in this application. So should we just upload them, upload the files, whatever, and then upload. Then the file have been uploaded. If you go back and then you see admin, and then you go to the loan, you see this loan, the status is uploaded, meaning now we can assign to people. If it's uploaded, then we can only assign to people who are in the verification department. Okay. Then let's go here and then assign. Will we see only people who are okay? You remember we just added Emily Davis to the verification. That's why she came here. So if you see the names here, Michael Brown, Sarah Wilson, David Lee are the people who are in the verification department. So if you see here, it's where are the Michael Brown, Sarah Wilson, David Lee. Yeah, those are the people who are in the verification department. Let's see, Davis has 0 because we just added her or him. I don't know if it's a boy or girl. Now we have assigned to Davis, and then Davis has to log in. Where is Davis? We assigned to Davis or David? Let's try to log in. Verification 1, 2, 3. Oh, Davis is just here, and then the load so 0. Now it's come 1. Okay, let's log in with the Davis login credentials. Here you go. It's been assigned for verification because Davis is the verification department. Then she's going to get those papers, maybe through email, or maybe it can be through this. I didn't think about that too much, but yeah, maybe she has verified, and then she has to verify. She see the list. We see the list of the files and then verify, or it's address proof, or to be employee card. And then she has to verify, and then she verify. Go back if they have been good here. And then admin, go loans, and then you will see this loan has been verified, and then we have to assign to if it's in the verified status, then we have to what am I saying? We have to send to the legal department. Here they go Maria Garcia James Baker. If you come here, people in legal, it's Maria Garcia James Baker. Yeah, Maria James Laura Clark. Those are the one who came here. Maria has 0. Let's put 0. It has been assigned to Maria. Let's take Maria. Maria will log in and then verify and then approve. And then where is Maria? Here. I think this video is becoming very big. I'm going to go very fast so we can finish it. Okay. Here you go. Submit. Assign for legal, and then we go here, and then we verify, and then the loan is approved or denied. Maybe I will work on this after, where the legal can deny or approve. But now if the admin go back and then check for the loan will be approved. Yeah, this was the demo I want to show you. At least part 2. I will do part 3 maybe tomorrow, and then yeah, I will show you the code. That will be the part 3. Thank you very much for listening to me and following this demo. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.